बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम दोस्तों, जनरल नॉलेज सीरीज़ की आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर आप सब दोस्तों को वेलकम करता हूं। जी हां दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम डिस्कस करेंगे 1956 के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से मुताल्लिक पूछे जाने वाले NTS, PPSC, KPSC के एग्ज़ाम के अंदर अहम सवालात। 25 अहम सवालात कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1956 से मुताल्लिक आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर आप दोस्तों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1956 नेशनल असेंबली से कब पास किया गया? 29 जनवरी 1956 को, 29 फरवरी 1956 को, 29 अप्रैल 1956 को। जी तो दोस्तों, इसका राइट आंसर है 29 फरवरी 1956। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो असम्बली थी उसके अंदर अहम किरदार अदा किया इंफॉर्मेशन के अंदर किस बंदे ने? इन इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो अहम किरदार अदा किया उस बंदे का नाम क्या है? सिकंदर मिर्ज़ा, मोहम्मद अली बोगरा, चौधरी मोहम्मद अली। जी तो दोस्तों, इसका राइट आंसर है चौधरी मोहम्मद अली, सी ऑप्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 1956 का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कब एनफोर्स किया गया? 23 फरवरी 1956, 14 अगस्त 1956, 23 मार्च 1956। जी तो दोस्तों, इसका राइट आंसर है 23 मार्च 1956। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1956 वाज फ्रेम्ड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली इन द नेम ऑफ पीपल्स, प्रेसिडेंट और प्राइम मिनिस्टर। जी तो दोस्तों, राइट आंसर इज पीपल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1956 वाज प्रेजेंट टू बाय द प्रेसिडेंट, गवर्नर जनरल, both A or B? The right answer is Governor General. Constitution of Pakistan 1956 declared Pakistan as Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Republic of Pakistan, none of above. The right answer is Islamic Republic of Pakistan, A option. Question number 7, definition of state was provided in article of the Constitution of 1956 2, 3, 5. The right answer is 3, article number 3. Part of Kalijiga of Constitution of 1956 was granted fundamental rights 1, 2, 3. The right answer is B option 2. According to the Constitution of 1956, there shall be the form of government in country, parliamentary, presidential, none of above. The right answer is A option, parliamentary. According to the Constitution of 1956, was the head of the state president, prime minister, governor general? President will be the head of state, A option. Minimum age to become president was held in 1956 Constitution. The right answer is B option, 40 years. According to the Constitution of 1956, there shall be legislature in country unicameral. The right option is B option. According to the Constitution of 1956, was the highest court of the country, Supreme Court, Federal Court, High Court? The right answer is B, Federal Court. According to the Constitution of 1956, 1956 was declared as national language? Urdu and English, Urdu and Hindi, Urdu and Bengali. The right answer is Urdu and Bengali. 1956 Constitution provided form of government for the country: unitary, federal, both A and B. The right answer is B, federal. Constitution of 1956 was consisting how many articles and parts? 240 articles, 10 parts, 280 articles, 7 parts, 234 article, 13 parts. The right answer is 234 articles and 13 parts. C option. Constitution of 1956 part was dealing with fundamental rights. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. The right answer is Part 2. B option. Constitution of 1956 prevails for how many years? 2 years, 3 years. The right answer is B option, 2 years. The Constitution of 1956 was abrogated on October 1958, June 1956, July 1956. The right answer is October 1958. A option. The Constitution of 1956 was enacted by the Assembly in the name of Islam, in the name of Pakistan, in the name of peoples. The right answer is in the name of peoples. Strength of membership of National Assembly according to 1956 Constitution was 340, 310, 240. The right answer is 310. B option. Constitution of 1956 provided Khaljiga form of election: direct, indirect, none of above. The right answer is direct form of selection. A option. Constitution of 1956 provided citizenship of citizens of the country: single, double, both A and B. The right answer is single citizenship of the citizens. According to 1956 Constitution's power and authorities were in the hand of centers, in the hand of provinces, divided between A and B. The right answer is divided between A and B. The Constitution of 1956 suggested kind of government for the country: parliamentary form, presidential form, dictatorship form. The right answer is parliamentary form. Thanks for watching.